Well, hello there, YouTubers. Welcome to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at the Monster Illumination Sound to Light LED. So basically what this does is it converts the sound. Well, I shouldn't say converts, but it flashes along music. So if you put music, supposedly it's going to flash along with it. So let's look at it. It does have a remote, and you can pair it up with the music. It's easy to set, and it also has these options for mood light. What on earth is this? It's almost like food. It's like I bought some kind of food. I've never seen this. I mean, this is kind of crazy. Let me see if there's cookies in there. Or maybe popcorn. Oh, and you didn't have to destroy the bag. It's resealable. That's pretty cool. So you get a remote. And you get some information here. I think I'm going to enjoy this. And here's this right here, which you pull it out like that. And then you plug it in somehow. So let me read the instructions so I don't make a mistake. Okay, so the instructions were very brief. They do mention that you have to have the right amperage on your USB power port to get this to work. Otherwise, it's not going to light up. So there we go. So now let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, so we're going to connect right here. This is not included. I have my own. And nothing happens. Sure enough. Okay, let's open this up. And the instructions say you have to take out this this plastic thing. And now let's power it up. Nothing happens. Alright, so that was a 0.5 amps, which did not work. So now let's try the 1.0 amps and see if this works. So let's plug it in. Nothing happens. So let's power it up. Nothing happens. So the remote is working for sure. You can see right there. But it just doesn't power up. Let me see if I reverse this. Like that. Oh, there we go. So it does matter if it can only go in one direction. So you have to be careful how you set it up. Okay, let me turn off the lights. This looks nice, definitely. And it does look better in person than in the video, because the video makes it look all white over here, but it's actually red. So let's see the different colors. Let's see green. Wow, that looks nice. Yellow. Orange. I don't even know what color that is. Oh. Blue. What else? Purple. Again, I want to emphasize that my camera doesn't show the colors the way they really are. But it does look nice in person. Let me turn on the lights. So music 1. So we're in music 1. on the remote right here. So we're gonna play some music. Let me get my phone. So let's look up. Let me get it closer to the. Okay, I'm not impressed by that. So let's see what jump 3 does. So let's try music number 2. See if that does any better. Let me turn off. Okay, I'm not impressed by that. Let me try music number 3. Let's see what that does. Okay, I'm not impressed by that. So let's do the last one, number 4. I try to increase everything. I don't know why it turned off. Well, if you actually, let me pause the music. If you actually touch it like that, you can sense that vibration. So you might have to actually put it on top of the speaker. Maybe it'll sense the vibration. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let me try 1 again. See if that does anything. Okay, let me plug it in directly to the speaker. Maybe that'll help. If I plug it to the back of the speaker. Okay, so now we're at the back of the speaker. So let's turn on the music. Let's do music 1 and let's see. Let's do music 2. I mean, there's no music and it's already flashing. I don't like that. So let's forget about that. Let's do 3. Okay, let's put the music. Okay, let me pause and go back to the manual because this is not working. Alright folks, so I read this right here and I'm doing it right. I'm doing everything according to the instructions. So if you tap it, it'll change, but it has to be super loud. I don't know what to do. The instructions don't say much. They only say that these 4 down here are for the music rhythm. So I did that. Press 1. I put the music. Yeah, it's not reacting to the music. So I don't know what to say. I'm kind of disappointed about this. But this, I did everything according to the instructions, and it does not pass the Skywind007 test. I cannot recommend it for the music mode. I can recommend it if you want a solid color like this, like a just red or just blue or just yellow or just purple. But the reason why I bought this is to play it with, to get it to work with the music, and it doesn't do that unless it's super loud. But that would have to be like a concert loud, but it won't work at home. The only way you can do is by tapping it. If you put it on music mode and then you tap it, so that's not acceptable. I'm gonna end this review here. This product does not pass the test, so I cannot recommend it at all. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.